We are searching how to buy shares of Postal Realty Trust Inc. to show the process step by step. Postal Realty Trust Inc. is a real estate investment trust listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PSTL, and this is educational information, not financial advice. To buy PSTL, you need a broker. I will use eToro as the example to show the steps. After you register on eToro, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a real trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker PSTL to find Postal Realty Trust Inc. Select the result that shows the NASDAQ listing to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is Postal Realty Trust Inc. Verify the ticker PSTL and the NASDAQ exchange match before moving on. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you wish to purchase, and review your order details including order type and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be submitted as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase is completed. After execution, your PSTL position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. A convenient link to eToro is available in the description below.